Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you the easy way to switch to Microsoft Bing search engine on Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on this three dots right there, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, all the way down to settings. So click on settings, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to search engine, and the next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage search engine right here. Click on here, and you have it right here. You can simply scroll down right here. So you have Microsoft Bing Search. So Microsoft Bing search engine. So what you need to do is to simply click on this three dots right here, and then simply hit on make default. And with that, you can come to the top right here, click on search engine right here, and then start browsing. So you have fully switched to Microsoft Bing search engine, just like that. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply switch to Microsoft Bing search engine from Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.